group la porthu mari first link. Okay, good evening students, welcome to NDA Sainik Academy. So today in this live session we will discuss the intelligence topic. More likely the previous year questions which has been asked repeatedly. Okay, so this will be both for Sainik 6 as well as Sainik 9. So without wasting any further time, we will dive into the previous year questions. Okay. So first question. Which of the diagram best shows the relationship? So this type of diagrams belongs to the Venn diagram topic. In this Venn diagram, you can expect two types of questions. Either they will give this type of words and they will ask for the representative diagram, or else they will all give the diagram, any one of this diagram, and will ask us to choose the suitable words. For example, in this question, they have given the words uncle, grandfather and male. So using this, you have to find the diagram which represents these words, exact words. So I will give you 30 seconds to solve this question. Okay, let's try it and tell me the answers in the comment section. Okay, Sunrise, Krishna, Josh, Mita, you guys are saying the answer is B, A. Don't be in a hurry, okay? Just take your time. I have already given you allocated to 30 seconds. Just use the time and find the answer. And I am getting a lot of A as the answer. Okay, fine. And only 2 says B. And yeah, Subramanian, Alpha, Net Info, Malakesh, A. A lot of A's is here. Okay, fine. I hope that the 30 seconds is over. Let's solve it. First of all, people are saying A is the answer. Assume that the A is the answer. And tell me what circle belongs to male, because it is a collective noun, right? It is a collective noun. So which circle belongs to A? Smaller or the bigger one? Tell me, smaller or bigger? Small means S, B means bigger. Just comment it. Smaller or bigger? If male belongs to bigger circle, comment B. If belongs to smaller circle, comment S. Bigger circle, okay. So this bigger circle represents male, okay. This bigger circle represents male, and these two smaller circles represent either uncle and grandfather. So you guys are saying this is the answer, but why don't you say that B is your answer? Why can't you say that B is your answer? Any reason? See, you are saying this one is uncle and this one is grandfather. This one is uncle and this one is grandfather. But why can't the uncle can't become a grandfather? I doubt. Because most of the males are, only a male can be a grandfather as well as an uncle, right? Because the female version of uncle and grandfather is what? Can you type? What is the female version of grandfather and uncle? Yes, Krishna, what you are saying is right. Exactly. That is what I am expecting from you guys. Okay. So this says that only uncles belongs to male and a grandfather belongs to males, and it is failed to explain that both uncle can be a grandfather and grandfather also can become a uncle. So the only option which says the both is option B. See here, it is male. Okay, the bigger circle is male and the smaller circle here is uncle, and this one is grandfather. That means this smaller intersection part is here, right? This says that uncle can also be a grandfather, and vice versa, and grandfather also can be a uncle. Okay, so any doubt in this question? If not, we can move to the next one. So the answer is not A, it is option B. Okay, option B. And this one is cannot be our option. Why? Because there are 4 circles, but here only 3 words. So this is not obviously our answer. Here also a bigger circle is there and 3 smaller circles there. You can directly straight away strike these options. Okay, don't waste any further time in this type of questions. Okay. Okay, fine. We can move to the next question. So second one is like this is also Venn diagram. The diagram below represents the students who study physics, chemistry and mathematics. Okay, so this circle belongs to physics, this circle belongs to chemistry, and this one belongs to mathematics. And what we are saying, study the diagram. You have to study the diagram very carefully. Okay, because it will be confusing. This will be confusing, and identify the region in which represents students who study both. This word is very important. Okay, this word is very important. Both physics as well as chemistry. Okay, and but not mathematics. That means you have to consider the students who are studying physics and chemistry, but not mathematics. So, can you answer this question? I will give you exactly 30 seconds again. For this question, again I am giving you 30 seconds. Study the diagram and answer the question. Study the diagram and answer this question. This circle belongs to physics, and this one is chemistry, and this one is mathematics. Options are there: T plus S plus U plus P, C alone, T or A, U, P, S, and T alone. So what will be your answer? Okay, I am getting a lot of responses. Very good, students. And within a limited time, you guys are saying the answer. Okay, some are saying just mention either A, B, C, or D, or use the code word like Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. That will be sufficient, and it will be very evident. We can find the answer. Okay, C, Charlie. Okay. Okay, fine. Use the option code. Okay, use the options code. Not that answers. Okay, use the options code. Okay, Delta. Some are saying Delta. I think most of them are saying Delta. Okay, very good, students. So it is Delta T. Why? Because they are asking both physics and chemistry. Both physics and chemistry. So physics and chemistry. So here in this intersection, the physics and chemistry, apart from mathematics. So apart from mathematics means you have to eliminate the mathematics section. You have to remove the mathematics section. If you remove this circle, this S, U, P, C will get eliminated. So the remaining thing is RTA. RTA is remaining. They are asking both. Both means it has to be both. They have to study both physics as well as chemistry. Physics as well as chemistry. So the only option intersecting chemistry and physics. Chemistry and physics is what? Option D, T. Okay. T is your answer. And for those who told the delta is your answer, hats off to you guys. Let's move on to the next question. If you don't have any further doubt in this question, we can move to the next question. Any doubts? If you don't have any doubt, just give a thumbs up. I will move to the next question then. Just give a thumbs up. I'll get to know. Okay, Mitra. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Let's move on to the next question. So, which of the following option? This is also a Venn diagram question. I told you right initially 2 times. Either they can give the image question diagram and ask for the options, or they will give the question words and ask for the image. So here it is a vice versa. They have given the image and asked for the representative words. So study this diagram and give me the answer. Study this diagram and give me the answer. Again 30 seconds I am giving you. Again 30 seconds I am giving you. Please do me a favor. Before typing the answer, just also include the question number. Before typing the answer, include the question number. Okay. Include the question number. For example, if the option is A, 3A, then only I can easily segregate the question numbers. That you are saying the answer for this question or previous question. Okay. 3. Bravo. People are saying bravo is their answer. Okay. Fine. Let's see why B is your answer and not others. First of all, let's discuss why not the other options are not your answers. This circle is a common circle. Inside this, 2 smaller circles are there. That means it is a collective noun. It has to be, the other 2 words has to be comes under that collective noun. Okay. So human is a collective noun. Sea and mountain is also different types of collective nouns, like different types. So this has to be, if you want to represent this option, it has to be what? Human, sea and circle. It has to be like this only. Okay. So this is not our answer. For option C, doctor, nurse and patient. Doctor, nurse and patient. Doctor is a different profession. Nurse is a different profession. Why I am saying different profession? Both are comes under the medical field only, but the profession, their work is different, right? And patient is not a profession. So it has to be doctor, nurse and patient. It is also has to be like this only. Okay. And sun, moon and water. Sun, moon and water. It has to be like this only. Okay. The only suitable option, because this bigger circle represent what? This bigger circle represent what? This bigger circle. Answer this. What does the bigger circle represents? Come on, quick. Domestic, yes, Sophia. JK, very good. Sumati, Soma, Arun, Mohita, very good. So this bigger circle represents domestic. This bigger circle represents domestic. These 2 smaller circles, either you can take this as dog and this one is buffalo. It is up to your choice. Okay, it is up to your choice because that doesn't come under any condition. As long as it is coming under the bigger circle. Okay, any doubt in this question? Any doubt? If you guys don't have any doubt in this question, just give a thumbs up in the comment section and we will move to the next question. Okay. So here it belongs to coding and decoding. In a certain code language, Indian cuisines are good is coded as MICIFIGI. They like Indian cuisines is coded as AILIMICI. And people like Indian Chinese is coded as PILIMIHI. And they and people are the best is coded as AIDIPIFIBI. So how the words good Chinese? So wait. How the word good Chinese and cuisines. Good Chinese and cuisines are coded in this language. First of all, whenever they have given these type of questions, don't read the initial statements. First, come and read the requirement. What is they are asking from this question? Okay. Then only you can easily identify the question without wasting any further time. So they are asking for good Chinese cuisines. So identify these words in the given words. Okay. So here using the repetitive words, we can find the representative words from the codes. Okay, these are codes and these are representative words. Okay, so Indian cuisine is in the first statement, and again it is repeated. That means Indian cuisine has to have two different words here, and that two different same words will also be repeated here. Okay, first find the codes that represent the Indian cuisine, that represents the Indian cuisine. Okay, here Indian cuisine is represented by MICI, FIJ. FIJ belongs to or good. Okay, again Indian cuisine is repeated in the second statement. Indian cuisine is repeated in the second statement. So, what is the words which repeated again here in the second statement? What is the word that repeated again in the second statement? Okay, fourth question, option A is the right answer. You guys are saying okay, very well. Okay, let's see your answers first, then we will discuss. Okay, MI and CI. Okay, so that means Indian cuisines represents MI and CI. So here also Indian cuisines are there. That means MI and CI will go. Again. So what they are asking? Good. So is the word good in the first statement? Yes, right? So that means the word exactly represents the code which is in the representative position. Like first is in Indian and cuisine, MICI. Third and fourth is Indian cuisine, third and fourth is here. That means good means what word? GI. Good means GI. Good means GI. So using this, first try to eliminate the options. Without wasting the time. So CI, HI, LI is there. So GI is not here. MI, DI, BI is there. So this is also not the answer. AI, LI and FI is not. We don't have GI there. So this is also not our option. So what will be our answer then? It is option A. So using the first and second statement alone, we can easily eliminate the other three options and find the answer without wasting the time. Hats off to everyone, those who are saying the answers correctly, and for others who are trying also as well. Okay, who are trying as well. So shall we move to the next question? Give a thumbs up so that we can move to the next question. Okay, very good. So again, coding and decoding. Okay, it is belongs to letters and numbers series, like letters and numbers coding and decoding. So in a certain code language, petal is coded as 11, 22, 7, 26, 15. How will under be? Under will be coded in that same language. First of all, you have to find the relationship between these two words, this word and the number. First, you have to find the relationship, then execute the same relationship into the word under, so that you will find the answer. Okay, you have again 30 seconds. 30 seconds is more than enough for find the answer. Okay, first tell me what is the relation? What is the relation here between the petal and the numbers? Answer B, okay. Tell the answer. Okay, Vaishnav, 5D is your answer. Akalvan, C is your answer. Aisha Pavin, Bravo is your answer. Okay. Siddhi, 5B is your answer. I'm getting B and D. Saran Vicky, D is your answer. Okay, A5 B 5C Subramanian Gandhi Suri Prasad B. Okay. So since you guys are having different kind of opinion, let's solve it. Okay. Before revealing the answer, let's solve it first. So how will you solve it? First of all, find the relation between petal and this number. First, remind one thing. Okay. First, have one thing in your mind. Whenever you go and attend this type of competitive exam, let alone Sainik as well as other exam, even in your future, whenever you are going to attend a competitive exam, okay, competitive exam, you have to write what first in your rough sheet. They will provide you a rough sheet, right, for any type of competitive exam. What you have to write first? What do you have to write first? Good evening. So tell me, what do you have to write first? It is alphabets. A to M, again N to Z, N to Z. So likewise you have to write. It has to be in this sequence, okay, in this sequence, starting from A and end with Z. Okay, you have to write like this alone. So B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, X, Y, Z. So, and you also have to give the numbers 1 to 26. 1 to 26 you have to give the number. First find the P. What is the value of P here? Value of P here. When you give the number, in a more bigger version. Now give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to write this alphabets and their rankings in this manner. Okay, starting with A and finishing with M. Then here from the right side you have to start with N and finish it with the Z. You have to go in this pattern and finish in this pattern, like a clockwise rotation. Why? Because when you write like this, you will easily find the opposite words. You will easily find the opposite words like this. Okay. See here petal. Petal is the word. So value of P is what they have given 11. Value of P is given as 11. That means it is not the value of P. It is the value of its opposite letter K, that is 11. So likewise E. What is the value of E is given 22. What is the value of E here? 5. But its opposite letter V's value is 22. 22. Likewise T. So T's opposite letter is G, it is 7. See here, it is going on like that. So same procedure we have to follow for the word under. U, N, D, E, R. So what is the opposite letter of U? Opposite letter of U? It is F. So it is 6. All the first digits are 6. So find in order to eliminate some options, you can directly go for the last letter. So 9 and 18 is here. So if you go and verify the last letter, you can eliminate two options, right? So what is the last letter? R. What is the opposite letter of R? I, which is 9. I, which is 9. So you can eliminate option B and C. Option B and C has eliminated. Now the remaining things is option A and D. So see what is different in these two options. The third letter and the third letter. Or the second letter and the second letter is different, right? So second letter, what is N? N's opposite letter is 13. Opposite letter is M, which is 13. So 14 will be option A will be eliminated. So the answer is option D. Answer is option D is your answer. So very good for those who said the answer perfectly. Okay then. Let's move to the next question. If you guys don't have any doubt, please comment a thumbs up so that we can move to the next question. Okay. In a certain code language, Goliath is coded as 216, Dynamic is coded as 207, and how will the word current can be coded? Current can be coded. So the same thing. Okay, same thing. We will solve it together. Okay, we will solve it together. First of all, Goliath. I hope everyone knows who is Goliath. And what is the value of G? Come on, type it. What is the value of G? Value of O, value of L, value of I, value of A, value of T, and we have value of H. So type it separately, like value of G is G6, O 15, like that. Type it. Type along with the alphabet G7, O 15, L11, like that. Come on, guys. What is the value of G? So, Subramanian. G is 6 and O is 15, L is 12 and I is 9. 20, 1 and 20, sorry. 1, 20, H is 11. Okay. So, see here how many letters, and the value is only 3 digits. The value is 3 digits. This means either they have added it or after adding they have multiplied it. So, just add the values. Add the values, what you will get? 6 plus 15, which is 21. 21 plus 12, 33, 33 plus 10, 43, 63, and 63 plus 11, 63 plus 11, 74. Now the numbers are correct. G7 it is. Okay. G7, everyone is saying. H is 8. Okay. H is 8. Thank you. Is there any correction? Okay, now add it. What do we get? 7 plus 15, 22, 44, 34, 44, 64, 72. 72 is your answer. 72 is your value here. But here it is given as 216. So how will you get this 216 here? Try it out with, multiply with 2, you won't get it because 14, 4 will come. 72 into 3, 6, 7 3s are 21, 2 and 6. That means from the added value you have to multiply it with 3. Likewise, dynamic also. Add and tell me what you will get for dynamic. What is the added value of dynamic? What is the added value of dynamic? Tell me. Once if you add the values of dynamic, what you will get? Type the answer below. Once if you add the dynamic, what you will get? Yes, it has to be multiplied with 3 only, yeah. I have given you guys a task. Once if you add the values of dynamic, what the number you will get? What is the number? What is the digit you will get? 69, okay. So if you add, you will get 69 as your total, added total. So multiply with 3. If you guys feel difficult to multiply with 69, just assume that it is 70. Okay. And multiply with 3, you will get 210, right? 7 3s are 21, 210. So instead of 210, just subtract 3, you will get 207 as your value. So 207. So same procedure you have to follow for the word current. Same procedure you have to follow for the word current. So what is the value of current? What is the added value of current? What is the added value of current, guys? Comment it. Added value. Now I am not asking the final value, I am asking the added value. What is the added value of current? Come on guys, quick. Okay, so the added value of current will be 95. So that you will multiply it with 3, you will get 285 as your answer. 285 as your answer, option A. Those who told option A is your answer. Very good and hats off for those guys. And we will have a short break for 5 minutes and we will be back. Okay? Please hydrate yourself. Yes. Battery button. Nothing. பக்கத்துல வச்சு